Welcome back, folks. It's been a minute, but we're back in full swing. Got my partner rider. You see him with me today, and we're gonna be working on a little axe here, sharpening it, getting the edge right. Well, my version of that, I guess. So stay tuned. All right, folks. In short, I've already done a little bit of work profiling this edge right here, but I have one little nick right there, and it's a real deep nick, and I'm really particular because I don't want to take out too much metal here, and I've already taken out a lot just to get to there, getting this semi-straight. So I'm gonna leave that in there because I don't know how old this thing is, and I got it out of Illinois off eBay, and it had a bunch of horseshoe nails, and it's been neglected, and it's probably some old farmers. So I'm gonna halfway keep it like the farmer had it, except, you know, not terrible looking. So we're just gonna put an edge on this, and I'm using a file to get me where I need to be. We're just gonna start on this edge. Pardon me. Hey. Shop dog getting into stuff. My handy dandy clamp there. Too far, too far. How are you doing? It's been a minute. Been busy since Christmas time. Working on other stuff and work and hadn't had really time to get out here and do something, but this ain't gonna take a lot. Like I said, I've already done quite a bit of work to it. That notch is gonna throw a lot of pain my way, but I refuse to take it out. There's no telling what he did to it. I would honestly like to know. A lot of me not talking right now. Just when I get into these things, I kind of space out, and I go to just watching what I'm doing. Yeah, you can already hear that. That's starting to really come along there. I'm also watching my angle, because you can watch 1,000 people on here sharpen axes and stuff, and they get them too sharp. This is not a knife. I mean, it is essentially. It's a knife, but you don't want it razor sharp. It doesn't need to cut paper. It needs to cut a tree. And if it's too sharp, this edge will fold. And when I first started doing this, That's what I run into. Is I was getting these things too sharp, too thin of an edge on it, and they'd fold. This is a coarser ground file, if you're wondering too. It's actually looking pretty decent. It's a small, smooth transition to there. It kind of bellies out there, so we're going to try to massage that out. This is a working axe, not a wall hanger, so it doesn't have to be perfect. That's about a straight edge, though. If you can see it, I'm going to kind of move you over on top of it. But if I can get out of the way, yeah. Just really see that notch in there. But that's clean right there. Mini shop dogs. All right. So that was coarse ground. We're going to go with a finer ground just to get a little bit closer. We don't need it necessarily, but it'll go ahead and take care of any of those little nicks that we may have forgotten. And it's also going to put kind of a different shine to it. Just like anything, sanding, any shaping, sanding, I always do a light touch on everything. So I feel like I have a more harmonious outcome. If I slow down, and don't go so aggressive. All right, we're getting somewhere, folks. I'll have to show you my clamp here in a minute, but it's an old piece of railroad iron that works great for this. So we got a little bit of fold right there. I like to keep axes generally how I found them for the most part, unless they're a complete basket case. Maybe a little aggressive for that. Here we go. We don't have, we got a little bit on one side. Take her out real quick. All right. I'd say we're about done there. Not too sharp. Well, not razor sharp, but not dull. She got some teeth to her. I kind of wonder when this old thing was made. Now on my next step here, it's a landski puck. There's two ways you can go about this. Soak that thing in diesel or use WD-40. I don't like using diesel necessarily because I don't want to smell like diesel for the rest of the night. So I use landski puck and WD-40. It seems to work a little better than diesel too, in my opinion. Coarse side first. It's like 500 grit. I think. Is that the coarse side? Oh, that's the 800 side. Apologize, folks. I was wondering why that was going too smooth. Coarse side first. Light touch. People, light touch. Folks, I'd cut something right there. Like it is. I don't want to get too aggressive. I'm rubbing my finger down up and down that thing right now. Why am I wiping that off? I'm gonna be putting more on in a second. 15, 20 bucks. Amazon. $15-20 and you can use this thing in the field, put it in your back pocket, whatever. Put it in your kit for sharpening in the field. I keep one in the truck. Not to mention, that gives that a good sheen to that. I've already done that side too, so I kind of got a little ahead of myself, and I thought maybe you guys might like to see that. That is sharp. I don't know how sharp. We're getting ready to find out though. As soon as I find something to cut it with. I don't know, parts catalog. 2000. I won't use that. That ain't too bad. That little nick right there really screws that up. Yeah. It can cut paper. It'll cut a tree. And it's not too aggressive of an angle that edge is going to fold every time. Now, we'll hang a handle on this thing. And then we'll go test it out. We'll see if it folds. Right now, I don't think it folds. Excuse the dog barking in the background. Maybe up here. That don't look too bad. I don't see anything hanging out there or anything shining terribly. Overall, besides that nick in there, I think it'll be a good using axe. The old Kelly Perfect. The most, I guess, made axe that you can find on eBay. I found more of these things than I can shake a stick at. So, as always, thanks for watching, folks. Kelly Perfect, got an edge on it. That ain't gonna dull, hopefully, every time you smack a tree and fold. So, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hey, give the channel a like, or subscribe to it, and give the video a like if you want to check out my other videos. By the way, I got some more stuff that's already been posted, and I'll be hanging this one here shortly, and got a few more axes to hang, and some trees to cut down, and I don't know. Gotta talk about my wife's boots. Some more, maybe. I don't know. Ryder, say goodnight. See you, folks.